Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Learn and Feel Confident. My name is Shaveta Malhotra. So in this video we will discuss about the Java and its feature. So the agenda for this video is to cover what is Java and the different features of Java. So let's get started. So what is Java? As we know, yes, Java is a programming language, but along with that Java is also a platform. So first of all, we need to understand what is platform. So platform is the combination of hardware and software which is used to run any software or application. Now, how we can say Java is a platform? So Java is a platform because Java itself have a runtime environment which is known as the JRE, Java Runtime Environment to run the Java application. So again, we will discuss the JDK, JRE, the complete architecture in the upcoming videos. So as of now, you can say Java is a platform along with the programming language. Now the question rises whether the Java is a compiled language or interpreted language. Because we know the few of languages are compiled based languages and few are interpreted, but Java is the only one single language which is both, which is compiled as well as interpreted language. And now, whether the Java is a high level language or low level language. As we have already discussed all these terms, high level language, low level language, what is a compiler, interpreter. So Java is a high level language. So high level language is a language which is easy to understandable by the human being. And low level language which is closer to the machine language which is understand by machine. So Java is high level language. Now moving to the next, what are the different features of Java? So here Java has lots of features, that's why Java is the most popular language. So we will discuss all these features one by one. So firstly, let's look out all the features of Java. Here we can say Java is simple language, platform independent, object oriented, secure. We can say Java is portable, high performance, robust, multi-threaded, and architecture neutral. So first feature is simple. Now you must be wondering how we can say Java is a simple language. But as compared to the C++, Java is a simple language and its syntax is almost similar to C++. That's why it's easy to learn. Unlike C++, Java doesn't support the pointer concept. So pointers are basically which point out to the memory location, and with the help of that we can access the memory location and make the changes over there explicitly. But Java, due to the security concern, doesn't support explicit pointer concept. In C++, to allocate and deallocate the memory, we call the methods alloc method or dealloc method. But in Java, there is no need to worry about the memory deallocation from unused object because that is automatically taken care by the one concept which is known as the garbage collection concept. And this is also the important interview question, what is the garbage collection concept? So garbage collection concept is a process to free the memory from unreferenced or unused object, and which is automatically done by Java. Now, if you don't have any idea about the unreferenced or unused object, so don't you worry about that. We will discuss all these terms in upcoming videos. Java is known as platform independent because of bytecode, and that bytecode we can run on any platform. So let's understand how we can get the bytecode and execute the bytecode on different platforms. Let's suppose we have written the source code and save the file with extension .java, and then the compiler will compile the whole code and find the compilation errors. If the code is error free, then it will convert the source code into the bytecode, and extension for the bytecode is .class. So here bytecode is a kind of intermediated code which is in the form of encrypted, and that is only understandable by machine. And once we get the bytecode, then we can execute this bytecode on any operating system, either Windows operating system, Linux, or the Mac operating system. So main reason of Java platform independent is bytecode. So once the bytecode gets created, it can be run on any platform. So let's understand the execution of Java program. So first step is source code. So here we can write the source code and save the file by using extension .java. And here you can see A is the file name and first is the class name. Second step is the compilation. As we know, Java is compiled as well as interpreted language. So once we write the source code, then compiler, the named as Java C, will compile the code and will find the errors. If code is error free, then it will convert the source code into bytecode. And here you can say there is the one another file with the name first and its extension is .class. This is the bytecode. And this bytecode of file is in encrypted form. Then the third step is execution. So once we get the bytecode, then the JVM by using the command Java will execute the bytecode. Here we have few interview questions. What is bytecode? What is an extension of bytecode? How we can say Java is platform independent? Is JVM platform independent or not? Another feature of Java is object oriented. As we know, object oriented is the concept of classes and object. So what is a class? So class is basically one blueprint and that is non-tangible and that is collection of objects. So blueprint, if let's say we have one map and that map is drawn on the paper, so that is non-tangible. This is just one kind of, you can say, idea, right? But if you're talking about the object, from that same blueprint, if we construct the houses, which are the real entities, which having some different properties and its behavior, which is tangible, that is known as the object. And object is an instance of a class. We'll discuss the rest of features in next video. So stay tuned. Thank you.